Imagine waking up tomorrow with an extra $1 million in your bank account. Would you be happy? Your life will be more stressful? What this $1 million can change your life? Can you really be happier with this? Today we're going to talk if money really can buy, if it can buy happiness. How much of it? I'm not here to say that money is bad or anything. We live in a capitalist society. We need money for a lot of things. I'm not going to debate about it because it's not the main topic of the subject. So we need money, of course, like we need to eat, we have to pay our bills and to study. If you have kids, bills are so much higher. But when we have some amount of money, this question turns to be a little more difficult. Let's go and imagine two persons, two friends. Emma is a very successful lawyer, have a luxurious apartment, the best neighborhood of the city, great cars, and goes to the best restaurants there are. But she is really stressful. She often feels anxious. She already got a panic attack and seems like she's going to burn out for her job. The other friend is Sarah, who works in a bookstore. She doesn't make much money, but she can live comfortably. But of course, with modesty. Sarah has a lot of time to spend with her friends, do different things, go to park, be with her pets, and she really loves what she do every day. The thing is, how can we say that Sarah is happier than Emma? Because I understand Emma is struggling a lot, but if her dream, her main purpose in life is to be a great lawyer, okay, she's going to it. But sometimes we change a lot of things in our lives just to be a little more better with our jobs or to get a better paycheck. And we just forget the things in our daily. I have a morning routine that I love. It's going to make coffee, the smell of the coffee, the sounds of the coffee machine. I love that. It's so simple. Yeah, but it's something every morning that makes me feel happy. Like this comfy feeling. And even though the coffee costs something, the cafeteria costs something, it's not how much they are worth, how much I spend in those things. The relationship with money and happiness isn't straightforward. We can't just say that if you make a little bit of money, you'll be happy and anything like that. People are different. So I'm a person that don't spend too much. I'm gonna be quite happy with much less amount than other people in the world. I bring here interesting statistics that for me it quite simplify this discussion, but at least we have like a north to look for this question. Studies from Princeton University show that happiness increases with income, of course, but only up around 75,000 a year. Beyond that, the increase in income doesn't significantly boost daily happiness or emotional well-being. More recently, however, a study for Purdue University updated these numbers to approximately 95,000 globally, adjusted for different living standards. I can really agree with these amounts because I've already been in that, and the first time that I achieve annual salary similar to those, I really felt that I was in a state of my life that quite have money for everything that I wanted. It's not like I was going to buy a lot of luxurious cars or anything like that, but I was living in a good apartment, nice neighborhood. I was wearing good clothes, good shoes, could pay my parents' bills. I could travel every year and go to the best restaurants and a lot of stuff. It kind of gives me that feeling of freedom, like, okay, I have money, I can. There are things I just don't want, I don't need, but if I really want, I can buy it. It's a really good feeling. But later on, I made more than that. And the thing is, my life didn't change too much. It was just more money for me to invest. It's not like I needed another apartment. The one I was living was okay for me. I'm not going out to restaurants or stuff more than I'm just going. And just to buy more things, it's not quite who I am. It's funny, for not to say it's tragical, but when we talk about lottery winners, I have like another research over here that says their level of happiness increase so much when they win the lottery, but like 6 months passing, they equal, like feeling equal what they had. I saw once this kind of study about being promoted in your job. It's the same thing. Passing 6 months, you're feeling it's the same. In Brazil, we have like, I don't know exactly how to say, but the major people that wins the lottery just for most in 2 years have the same amount of money they used to have because they just spent everything. Not having financial education and stuff. And I've already met lottery winners. So it's crazy how much they just spend the money trying to correct something in their lives. I don't know. It's crazy. I had a quote that I found years ago. It's from Walt Disney, and that for me, it's so true. And I keep saying to myself, happiness is a state of mind. It's just according to the way you look at things. And it's so true because happiness, it's possible for all of us. Even if you had a lot of money or no. The thing is, we need to adjust little things in our lives. And those things don't have anything at all with money. Just to complement, the Harvard happiness expert Sean Achor says that 90% of long-term happiness isn't about external circumstances. It's determined by how your brains process the world. It's that. And the thing is, I know for a lot of people, it's super duper difficult because I understand you. I've had depression all of my life. How can this be? So yeah, because depression and a lot of health issues is just the chemistry on your brain not working well. And for me, I finally have the right pills to take and my life completely changed. The way we see the world, it's so different and incredible. It's just a lot more to value things that you already have, not things that you want. And I feel too much that people get this feeling from money. I need more money. I would be more happy because they are thinking too much on the things they want to buy. Although you should be focused on the value, the things that you already have. I'm not saying for you not stop buying anything, but keep those things that you have, your things. Put more value to those. As I was exercising this, I really learned to live much simpler, like in this 1.5 years that I've been healing myself, living with my parents and stuff. I just didn't need anything from luxury brands or stuff. Just live simple and remember who you are without these things. I'm not saying that I don't like to wear nice things, have nice things, but sometimes it's really important to us to disattach from it. When I was working in the financial markets with really wealthy people. I needed to dress well, like super well and stuff. Yeah, I spent a lot of money on clothes. It's not really that I wanted, but I had to. It was my job, so it's okay. I like it too because I feel pretty. But now I just wanted to connect more with the Gabi without those things. The Gabi without financial knowledge, just the person, my human being. What make me feel happy? Without thinking money. I like to wake up, got the sunlight, take my coffee, play with my pets. And for me to work now with something that give me more purpose, it's so pleasure working from home with a very more slow life. It's not that I don't miss the big city, and I miss a lot, but sometimes we just have to slow down and connect with who we are. Because I know for my life, for the long term, I just really want to be in a slow pace place, like with pets, nature. And for me, it was incredible. I really believe that happiness is in the small things, relationships, and your day-to-day routines, habits, like the smile you can give to your parents, like a hug for your partner or children. I already know that we also have some kind of ambitious dreams. I don't have children, but if I had, I want to like give the best education, travel, college, health, everything the world can give the best. So for those things, I need money too. But we should not forget that for those you have to work a lot, and maybe you're gonna lose time with your children. And which is more important? Be with your children while they're growing up, or just working to provide something for a future you don't even know if they going to want to that future. It's just something for us to think about it. So we have like this agreement that money can buy happiness, but just some amount. And what to do if you have more than money? How can money can help to us be more happy? One classical example is buying more experiences, things. I'm not gonna like you more if you give me a diamond ring or diamond earrings or anything. But maybe if you have like a experience together, travel together, probably gonna be huge friends. So it's much more for your connection with other people, with yourself, with the nature, and experience are much more memorable in your life. So you're gonna build a lot of good memories in your life than just buying something it doesn't gonna help. Money can help, of course. You can donate. So anyone that is gonna say having a lot of money it's bad. Yeah, people, you can donate if you just don't feel like having a lot of money. If you found an organization that you think it's nice and want really to help, you can donate. And for last, you can buy time, like paying people to do stuff for you. So it's really great. Like I help my parents to clean the house, but it's so simple to clean our house because it's so small. And I really don't like to have like strange people in my house, but I could pay someone to do it, but I prefer not. This is other thing that money can do. I'm not here talking like I'm the best expert in everything because I've had a really, really stressful time in my life that I just got buying a lot of things to try to make me less stressful, but it didn't help. So it took me quite a lot of time to understand that it's not gonna help me, that it's not gonna help me, and to search for a different method to be less stressful. But it's really common people try to buy or to really accumulate things when feeling this emotional discomfort. So if you're feeling like this, try to reflect yourself. Again, happiness, it's a lot about with looking in ourselves and understand who you are, what we really want, what makes us happy, and not so much about how much we can spend. If you want to know a little bit of my story, I'm going to put over here on the screen a video telling a little bit of all that happened to me. And it wasn't about money. I needed money because I didn't have anything. I got what I needed. I make more and I just lost myself. So sometimes it's really important to look back. It's okay. I'm the right way for that aligns with bring me happiness, with what I'm doing for my life. And just you can answer this question. I hope you liked this video, subscribe, click the bell button, and I'll be here always to help you in anything you need.